Hello, good morning and welcome to ET Now's Buy Now, Sell Now with me, Varun Hiremat, and Karunya Rao should be with us shortly. While we wait for her, let me get you up to speed with the headlines for this morning, beginning with the fact that Nifty is testing 11,400. Benchmarks bounce back after a short breather we saw yesterday on the back of some decent global cues and a decent US handover. Broader markets also continuing their up move this morning, so it's not just your large cap Nifty stocks, but it's a whole host of smaller stocks from the broader market which seem really invigorated. All your sectors barring Nifty Media are currently in the green. So that gives you a flavor of the breadth. There's very little that can go wrong today in this market. And Nifty Bank and the PSU Bank Index are currently the top performers, surging the most. Speaking of what's moving and the headline indices and the benchmark Nifty, we have some additions and subtractions to bring to your attention today. So on the back of a really stellar performance in the last year, you have companies like an SBI Life, which is one of SBI's best subsidiaries, and a Divi's Laboratories entering the Nifty, and this will come into effect on September 24th. However, on the not so positive side, we're going to have to kick two companies out of the Nifty to make space, and that is Z Entertainment being the first one. We don't need to tell you why that's happening. There's a lot happening there right now which needs restructuring. Also, you have Infratel, which will be unfortunately leaving the Nifty to make space for these two. Then moving forward, we have some brokerage cheer to bring to your attention this morning. SBI in focus on the back of a massive CLSA upgrade, 310 rupees a share, implying a 50% upside. They think it's a great buy for long term, really deep value, and we'll be telling you more about their analysis in a little bit. Coming to the end of headlines, we had Axis Bank talking to us earlier this morning. We had Amitabh Chaudhry who joined in with Nikunj Dalmia. The macro situation seems to be improving, although they are not out of the woods. Credit offtake has seen a fair bit of lag, if you want to call it that, or a bit of a slowdown. But with that being said, given that 10,000 crore has been raised and that the door is open to raise another 5,000 crore, Axis should have no limitations once the economy rebounds, should be one of the key lenders to look out for. And then finally, as far as the headlines are going, we have two things to bring to your attention. Stellar listing for Max Healthcare, 107 rupees per share, jumping as much as 5%. And then a possible deal brewing with the German company Rheinmetall to partner with BHEL, potential investment of over $1 billion. Currently, this is report-based. Karunya is now with us. Great for you to join in, Karunya. Could you walk us through how the market's faring this morning?